Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXC Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Alright, so trackies, y'all remember the recent drama with Elaine Thompson Herah with the supposed concern about her whereabouts. I mean, we haven't really seen any of the major stars come out, but Elaine Thompson Herah, there was such a mystery that, they had to go and peep through fences to find out exactly what was going on with Elaine. And yes, they came to report that Elaine Thompson Herah is severely injured. Well, with that said, Elaine Thompson Herah is set to open her season and silence some of these major critics heading into what will be her triple double attempt at the Paris Olympic Games. Clearly, yes, she has to get past the Jamaican trials first, but once she gets past that, then yes, she'll be attempting the never done before. Well, she's already done something that has never been done before by winning the double double, but to attempt the triple double is absolutely phenomenal and put her in a category all to herself, even though she's already in a category all to herself. But pretty much make her legendary beyond the point of question or doubt in many people's minds, because at this particular point, a lot of people probably don't know how to rank Elaine, considering that she's not had the best years when it comes to the world championships. But you can't ignore a double double from the Olympic Games. So, with that said, Elaine Thompson Herah is getting set and ready to come out. And she will be coming out at the Bermuda Grand Prix on April the 28th. So we have just a little bit over a month to wait to see her open her season outdoors. And yes, I can't say it enough, but we are excited to see what Elaine Thompson Herah will be able to do. Now, when I compare this to when she opened her season last year, it's in and around the same time. She opened her season last year outdoors at the Tom Jones Invitational in April. So it's in and around the same time. So that is nothing strange based on the time of the year that is chosen. As well, track is now. So when we consider, the thought process of the recent information that we received as it relates to, Elaine Thompson here being potentially, injured, as I said. Well, guess what? This meet will open all our eyes to see exactly how Elaine Thompson Herah is, what type of shape she's in, is she injured, or like my thought process is like when I did my video, it's literally, a day in the life of Elaine Thompson Herah. She breaks down quite frequently, and as such, her picking up an injury or a niggle every now and then is seen as potentially normal or seen as normal. So there was nothing to be really alarmed about. But anyway, this particular meeting that she'll be opening up at will literally tell us the shape that she is in. And quite interestingly for me as well, when it comes to Elaine Thompson Herah, I think even before the meet, we will be able to get an idea of the shape. And the reason why I'm saying before the meet is that if she's so severely injured, then my opinion is her coach, being Ronaldo Walcott, will pull her from the meet and not have her run at all. And again, the reason why I'm saying that is because we've seen this, proven in terms of the history with him and his coaching and not allowing his athletes that are injured to partake in any event too soon. Let's just go back to last year and take a look at it. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She was set to open her season and unfortunately picked up a knee injury, which prevented her from opening her season until way down in the year. Luckily for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, she was the defending champion of the 100 meters, so she didn't have to go to the trials to focus on capturing a spot on the team. But with that said, she still made it to the trials. She opened her season there over the 200 meters. So yes, that was very, very late for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to open up her season, right? But again, all stops will be pulled out for his athletes when it comes to them picking up injuries and making sure that they are good before they take to the track again. So, for me personally, when I think about Elaine Thompson Herah and this particular meeting that she is set to, partake in, if it is that she's so severely injured, as I said, then she will in no way, shape, or form be taking part in this meet. So, yeah, before it, we will know, because if she's so badly injured, then yes, I assume the coach will definitely pull her from it. If she still lines up, then it's clear as day, in my opinion, that this is just a regular day in life as it relates to Elaine Thompson Herah, and she's fine. And it's just one of those things. Stephen Francis said she breaks down quite frequently, so that's nothing strange, nothing new. So let's see what happens when that time comes. Again, that will be the Bermuda games, and that comes up on the 28th of April. So look out for that Bermuda Grand Prix. Now, track is interestingly though, I've been wondering in my mind, considering that I'm taking a look at her previous year, and she's opened up her season over the two. Now, prior to that, she opened up her season in March before the outdoors, or what is officially outdoors, since we only run outdoors in Jamaica anyway. But before the official outdoors, she opened it up with the 400 meters. So, considering now that she didn't open up her season, none at all throughout this indoor season, and will be going straight into the outdoor season in April, I'm kind of interested to see which event she takes part in first. Based on coaching, she'll probably only be doing the two. But with that said, that doesn't mean she isn't running some fours, or over distance in training, right? So I'm interested to see how she comes out in this 200 meters. But that's my assumption. She'll be coming out with the two, right? I see a lot of people saying Elaine Thompson Herah is not going to be challenging for the two, trying to challenge Shericka Jackson for the two. And I'm like, that's absolutely ridiculous. Even if there's somebody out there that is better than you never give up. You know what I mean? You keep going at it. And you know what I mean? At the end of the day, if you lose, you lose. It's just one of those things. It's life, right? But you definitely have to put that effort in, and you can't give up before you even get there. So for those persons that are saying, oh, Elaine Thompson here shouldn't try to, take down a Shericka Jackson, I mean, that will damper the sport, in my opinion, because if everybody's supposed to look at who is the best out there and say, oh, I'm no longer going to try, then the sport will become boring. So in my mind, there's no way, shape, or form Elaine Thompson Herah is not going to be challenging over that 200 meters when it comes to Paris 2024. No, yes, 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 she has to get past the trials. I know that. But I'm assuming once she gets past there, there's no way she's not going to be challenging for it. So I'm eagerly anticipating how she comes out. When I take a look at Elaine Thompson Herah and her previous years in competing in the 200 meters, though very fast, 21.53 seconds, she actually barely competes in the event. So, what I want more than anything this season, and I'm going to kind of piggyback off something I saw Stephen Francis do, when it comes to Shericka Jackson, is have her target the event that she's really trying to, sharpen up on. I don't think she's trying to sharpen up over the one, right? If the speed is there, the speed is there, it's just to bring it out. What we really want to see her focus on is getting strong for that 200 meters to potentially try to challenge, again, a Shericka Jackson. So with that said, I really hope to see her do much more 200 meters this season, much more than I ever seen her do in the past. I think I can only remember 1 year where she did, quite a bit of 200s, and I think that is 2017. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that's the year I saw her do the most 200 meters on the circuit. But yes, I really want to see her come out and take this 200 meters just as seriously as she has taken the one over the years. Clearly, as I've said before, she started out as a 200-meter athlete and was really phenomenal. I'm talking about running 21.66 as a 10.8 athlete at the time, right? And she's gotten all the way down to 10.54 now. So when you look at the time that she's run over that 200 meters, it can be much better if she, targets it just as much as she targets the one. So I'm interested to see this season. Anyway, as I said, all eyes will be on her clearly during this period, the 28th, to see exactly what shape she's in. Is she injured? Will she pull out? Or again, is it just a regular day in the life of Elaine Thompson Herah? And she will turn up and of course execute the race according to her coaching, and we will take it from there for her season. Anyway, trackies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about Elaine Thompson Herah opening up her season in April, and as it relates to her and that 200 meters? Because I'm not really focusing on the one. Honestly, she's always been great over the one. As long as she's healthy, she's going to do good over the one. What do you think about her 200s though? Do you think she needs to run more 200s this season? Like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in another one. Bye.